Top Power BI DAX functions every data analyst should know. Understanding and mastering DAX functions is essential for effective data analysis in Power BI. In this video, we will explore the top DAX functions that every data analyst should know to optimize their data modeling, visualization, and analysis in Power BI. Introduction to Power BI DAX functions. Power BI is a powerful business intelligence tool that allows users to transform, analyze, and visualize data. Data Analysis Expressions, DAX, is the formula language used in Power BI to create custom calculations for data modeling and analysis. By leveraging DAX functions, data analysts can perform advanced analytics, measure calculations, time intelligence, and more to generate insightful reports and dashboards. Leveraging advanced analytics with DAX functions. Data analysts can take their analysis to the next level by leveraging advanced DAX functions in Power BI. Functions such as calculate, filter, and all enable users to manipulate the filter context and route context to perform complex calculations and comparisons. Enhancing data visualization with DAX functions. Power BI provides powerful data visualization capabilities, allowing users to create interactive reports and dashboards. By utilizing DAX functions such as related, calculate, and filter, data analysts can enhance their data visualization by creating dynamic and interactive visualizations. Improving data modeling with DAX functions. Effective data modeling is essential for generating meaningful insights from your data. Power BI offers a range of DAX functions that can help data analysts improve their data modeling processes. Functions such as RELATEDTABLE, union, and intersect enable users to create relationships between data tables, merge data from multiple sources, and perform set operations to optimize their data model. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering DAX functions is essential for every data analyst looking to maximize the potential of Power BI for data analysis and visualization. By understanding and leveraging the top DAX functions discussed in this video, data analysts can enhance their skills in data modeling, advanced analytics, time intelligence, and data visualization to generate actionable insights for informed decision-making.